What's going on, YouTube? Lexington, Kentucky, hitting up a bunch of discount stores. Let's go. Got some Iowa State merch right here. Double XL. Going for $6. Damn near free. Got some Colts merch right here. I think this is. Ooh, this is this is Nike. Holy cow, that's nice. Down to $10, under $10. Holy cow, these are. This is a medium right here. That's a medium. Dang, Nike driving for under 10 bucks. Oh, they got more. They got another one right here, and then they got top of the world brand right here, kind of a budget brand. $6 for University of Kansas, University of Kentucky Nike long sleeve, normally $35. Burlington got you for $15. Got a couple of mediums right there. Whoa, what's going on over here? This is an XL. This is an XL. This is pretty fire, dude. That's pretty fire. Especially for the price, 20 bucks. 20 bucks. Just NFL team apparel. Niners, NFL team apparel. What these going for? What these going for? $13 for these. This is a large. More Colts ones in a large. University of Iowa, was it Colossus brand? Colossus brand, go for 20. This Mizzou Nike brand, $20. This is a small though. All right, moving on to the men's sneakers. Still got these Flyknit racers. These are huge. $70 still, way too much. Nike boots here, pretty much for the kids. That's just hella small. Size 4 men's, $40. That's a decent price. Some cleats right here. These are some dope cleats, actually. Holy cow. Yeah, these ain't bad. $25 for these bad boys. These are, what size are these? Size 8. Size 8 too. Small for my kiddo. Got another one right here. These don't look any bigger. Oh, like I said, these look way bigger size. Those are size 12. Got another one. These are tiny, $30 for this one. Got some all black ones right here. Some low tops. These are size 10. $25 for these. Damn, that's a deal. These are size 10. They might work for my kid. My kid wears like a 9.5, but these are hella tight. Hella tight. I just tried them on and like they're like at least one size, maybe 2 sizes too small. These don't look bad. I think these are the Vapor Edge 360s. I think these retail for about $100, so I might have to grab those in a sec. These retail for even more, like $125. I happened to look them up because I'm trying to figure out if I should buy that one. Got some Saucony's excursion trail running shoes, going for $35 right here. More of these in really big sizes right here. Got some Zoom Trouts right here. Size 11.5 down to $20. And these huge bad boys right here. The Cosmic Unity going for $70. Oh, we got these too. We got these too. Superstars. Size 9 down to $40 bucks. Okay. And then in the hat section, got some Colts gear, brand 47. These are, they're fitted, but it's just a large. So yeah, that's $10 for that one. Another Colts one, medium large. This is a New Era, down to $10. And of course, plenty of Kentucky gear, $8 for this one. Don't know the brand. A lot of Colts gear, probably because we're like right outside of Indiana. $10. I didn't notice Louisville. Louisville's like right on the border of Kentucky and Indiana. Like if you just cross the river, you're in Indiana. So I might have to stop by $10 for these. Got some Kentucky hats right here. More Kentucky trucker hats. $8. In the women's section, dude, the only thing worth showing you guys, these Pegasus Turbos right here. Oh, these Pegasus Next Natures. And yeah, these are $55 right here. At least they lowered the price on these. I think I'm just gonna grab these. I think 10's gonna be too big. We'll find something in LA. Was about to walk out. Look at this Ohio State merch. This is Ohio State brand, $15. This is size medium. Size medium. 15 bucks, that is hella cheap. And then some Colt stuff right here. Yeah, that's kind of cheesy. The jacket's kind of dope. How much is this jacket though? Oh, it's an XL. If it's a double XL, I'd probably get it for one of my boys. $30. Pretty dope, but yeah, maybe I'll just grab this. $15. $15. Like, is it cold enough in LA to wear this ever though? It's like so freaking. And then will all this come off on your shirt too? Thinking about it. How often will we need this in LA? And this is a medium. Store number 2. Nothing in the small and mediums, but do got this large right here. This is a huge pullover. I don't know what brand this is. Is it Puma? Yeah, it is Puma. Okay. Normally $160. This is Manchester City pullover. Technically it is a hoodie, it's just not fleece. $40. This is actually dope. If I was into soccer, I'd definitely grab that. Nike t-shirt right here for the Rams. Matt Stafford, go for $8. That is a large. North Face fleece jacket, really high quality stuff. $40 for those. Those that, you guys know what I meant. Dude, got a Adidas soccer. Got a soccer ball, normally $60 down to 10 bucks. And it is a 5, so it is an adult one. Then got some BMW clothing right here. This is Puma, normally 90 down to 20. That is a, what size is that? Is that small? Oh yeah, that is a small. Okay. Dude, got some Sauconys right here. Which ones are these? The 6,000? The Shadow 5,000s? These are pretty decent. Size 10 going for 50 bucks. Does come with the baby blue laces right there. I think that would hit real hard with the baby blue. That's pretty fire. Great to see Saucony having some stuff for us at these stores. These the Ride 15s. Yeah, the Ride 16s, my bad. They got the Ride 16s, one of their more comfy sneakers used for running. $70 for these. I'm seeing a lot more of these Sauconys here lately. Is it Saucony? What do you guys call them? 70 for those. It's way too high. And got KDs in a insane size right here, size 18. These bad boys going for 50 bucks, as they should. Air Max 2090s. These are size 9.5 women's. Or is that 9.5 wide? I think that's 9.5 women's. They don't look that small though. $65 for those. Forums right here. Go for 40. Got a little Tom Brady collectible figurine, something. $8 for those. My bad, doggy. There you go. North Face boots. We don't see too many of these here. Go for $80. That's a size 13. Checking out the women's section. Do got some colorful Crocs down to 25 bucks. That's not. Oh, it's a size 9 women's, size 7 men's. I was like, do they have those Crocs? No, not the cowboy ones. To be honest, not really finding much. There are some. These the Charge right here. The Sonic. Oh, these are the Sonic. The Sonic 4s right here. Some Under Armours that are pretty decent. $47 for those. All right. Let's go. Right outside the mall, they do got one of these. Let's go. If I missed something, and you guys live in this area, let me know. I think we might find more stuff here. All right, let's go. Do got an Adidas Jayhawks hoodie right here. 25 bucks. That is a medium. Or maybe not, because not really seeing much else other than that one Adidas hoodie. Searching the entire store. Got a Packers beanie right here. $13. This is like an interesting material though. Not too into that material. Got a Naruto one right here going for $8. And not much else. I know not everybody's into sneakers everywhere, but I found a ton of stuff in Pittsburgh and Cleveland, so I thought I'd find something. But to be honest, not much here either. Always got plenty of Trae Young 2s at every Ross we visit. 37 for these mother lovers right here. Got some Vans. Listening to one of the announcements, it was by one of the workers that doesn't want to be here. $40 for the smaller size. But I guess those Ultra Boosts, those are pretty fire. Like crazy cheap. Skate lows right here. Going for 35. Some Sauconys right here. Some Sauconys going for 50. I don't know what model they are though. Bigger sizes right here. Got some Under Armour. 47. Moving over to the kids section. So Nike, are these Manoas? We got some of these right here. $40 for those bad boys. But nothing much other than that. Even checking the women's. I checked the jackets. I pretty much checked every section here. Just not finding much. Not finding much. Can't win everywhere you go. But yeah, I got plenty of videos coming. I'm going to hit up some more Ross Burlingtons. Then I'm going to hit up a Nike outlet out in Louisville. And then I'm going to hit up a bunch of other stores out there. So stay tuned, you guys. Stay tuned. Got plenty coming. Did miss one Ross in town. I thought I hit all of them up, but going to have to move on to Louisville next. But yeah, do got a Burlington. Let's go. Another Iowa State Hawkeyes long sleeve shirt. Yeah, these were $8. Pretty bootleg Watson jersey, extra bootleg. Don't even want another price. Another one of these. A lot of these here, dude. $6 for this one. Penn State T-shirt. This is a large, right here. 30 down to $13. Saw this a second ago. It was SpongeBob, Nickelodeon SpongeBob baseball jersey. $15. Chiefs NFL apparel T-shirt. $10. Converse jacket right here. This is an XL, but this is a kid's. So this is way too small. $10 though. $10. Buffalo Bills team apparel. $25. What the hell is this? This is a kid's. $30. Nike pants right here with the camo. Is this a real tree? 65 down to 30. Okay. Oh, it's ThermaFit. That's not bad. That's not bad. Nike Polo. Oh, this is a women's. I was like, Nike Polos do not start at $40. They usually start at like 60. But yeah, these are down to 13. Yeah, I've never seen these before. Ultra Boost baseball cleats. Ultra Boost baseball cleats. I've never seen these. These are a size 9, and they're only $20 effing dollars. $20. That's it. Got Nike React cleats right here. And these are down to $30. Got the Gill Zeros right here. These are only a 6.5. These are $40 for these. Kind of a random colorway. I'm not the biggest fan of those. Not that colorway at least. Trae Young 2s being marked down. God dang it, dude. 30 down to 40 down to 30. Dang it, now I gotta hear that for the next 20 minutes. God dang it. But I do got these 9.5. 9.5. What are these priced at? What are these priced at? Not even priced. Not even priced. So I'll see if I can find another one. Damn you, that thing's still going off. One of the workers to take it, she came by. I was like, it's that one right there. I was like narking on a bad guy or something. $35 for these. These are some Reeboks there, whatever. More Alpha cleats right here. These are a little bit lower end. This also looks like it's for linemen and stuff like that. I don't know. But yeah, $20 for those. Ooh, these are dope. Size 11 right here. I think I already got these, but I swear there's two different black and gold ones. Because there's ones that have patent leather. This one doesn't have that patent leather. I think there's a different one, right? What's it say on the front? It says vote for Gilbert. Vote for Gilbert. $30 for these. These are dope, dude. Those are fire. And then I did stumble on these. You can get some Pepsi underwear right here. They got a PBR one. They got a Colt one and a Truly one right here too. These are actually kind of dope. They're only $7. Some are $6. Yeah, the PBR one and this one's $6. Looks like the Truly is the only expensive one. They got a Duff one too. Duff Man. Yeah, you can go around looking like Duff Man. But yeah, $6. Those are actually pretty dope. They got these too. Your kiddo could think you bought him some chips. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty funny. Like, hey, here. My kid thought I bought him bacon when I got him those bacon ones. Oh, they got a Dunkin' Donuts one too. These are $6. The chips ones are $17. Women's section definitely been even more of a hit or miss. Got some softball cleats right here. Some new softball cleats. $20 for those. But not really finding much else. Dang, dude. I'm gonna be honest. I thought I'd find a lot more stuff. But it's definitely a hit or miss, man. I thought smaller towns, some of the smaller towns, we'd find a lot more stuff since they don't even have a football team and stuff here. So I thought a lot of stuff would make it to the discount stores. Didn't really have that luck, man. Did not have that luck. Gonna be hitting up more stores tomorrow. I still have to drive an hour. So at almost 10 o'clock, I still have to drive an hour to Louisville. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Dang, it's almost 10 o'clock, dude, and I still have to drive an hour to my hotel. I thought we'd find a lot more stuff. I thought in some of the smaller towns, like we've been finding a bunch of stuff. Cleveland, we found a ton of stuff. Pittsburgh, we found a ton of stuff. Lexington, not really. Did stop by most of the discount stores here and stop by the mall as well, and just wasn't too much cheap. But yeah, we're gonna try Louisville tomorrow. Gonna go ahead and drive, I don't know, 70, 80 miles, something like that. Get to my hotel. We're gonna check out a bunch of stores there. Please stay tuned. Still got a Nike outlet out in Louisville coming. Also got a bunch of discount stores I'm gonna be hitting up there. So stay tuned. Make sure you help with what? Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification button. Got plenty of videos coming. Pretty much a video every day. And I'm traveling across the entire United States to see what's up, man. So got plenty coming. If you guys want to support the channel, make sure you guys check out the membership program. If you guys want to support, you know, I'm freaking spending a ton on gas even out here. So yeah, if you want to support your boy, let me know. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Had to stop by a bar. Whenever I go somewhere new, I had to try the bars. And been hearing about this beer. Haven't tried it yet. First time I'm trying Yearling beer. It is America's oldest beer. Heard of it a bunch of times. We don't have this on the West Coast, so I figured I'd give it a try. It's not bad. Then finishing the night, getting some gas. $3.15. That's not even the cheapest place. I've seen places for under $3, but $3.15. Damn. That's the rest of the U.S., you guys. That's the rest of the U.S. California, $17. All right, guys, we're making it a way late night, I guess. Waffle House. Let's go. And you know the food's really good because they got a B, man. They got a B, yo. So first time at Waffle House. This is the menu. It says breakfast favorites. That's what they're known for, right? Because they got lunch stuff, too. All right, no, I just said, hey, give me this right here, the all-star breakfast. Then she asked me how I wanted. I said, I don't know, just figure it out. So she's making me stuff. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let's see. Like I said, I just said, hey, give me whatever. I think I might have to get some waffles too. I intended for waffles, didn't I? I don't know. I guess they give me this one. But I kind of want this one. Oh, I think I'm going to ask for some. I think I'm going to ask for waffles. That's what I need. I need waffles. My bad, it came later. It did come. Okay, we good now. Damn, I wasn't even hungry. I dusted almost everything. That was good. All right, I need to go to bed. What time is it? It's almost 2. All right, time to go to bed.